Hi guys, so for this I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. So for this stitch, when we work on round, we need to chain multiples of 6, but when we work on a straight line, we need to chain multiples of 6 plus 10. So I'll start by chaining 34. So now that I've chained 34, on the 7th chain from a hook, I'll make 3 treble crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right there through the 7th chain from a hook, I'll make 3 treble crochet. So 1, 2, and this is row 1, and 3. Now I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 3 treble crochet. Now I'll chain 10, then right here through this last treble crochet chain, right here through these 2 loops, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll skip the next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and through the 6th chain I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 3 treble crochet. Again, now I'll chain 10, and then right here through this last treble crochet chain, right here through these 2 loops, I'll make a slip stitch. Again, now I'll skip the next 5 chains, and through the 6th chain I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 10, then right here through this last treble crochet chain, right here through these 2 loops, I'll make a slip stitch. Again, I'll skip the next 5 chains, and through the 6th chain I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 10, now through this last treble crochet chain right here through these 2 loops I'll make a slip stitch. Again, I'll skip the next 5 chains, and through the 6th chain I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 3 treble crochet. Now to finish row 1, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this last chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 3. Now right here through this 1 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet. chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 12, then through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 12, through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 12, then right here through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 12, now right here through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet. Chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet. Now to finish row 2, right here through this last loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 2. So now for the pattern we need to repeat row 2. So we repeat row 2 for the pattern. We repeat row 2 until our work reaches our desired length. In my case here I made 6 rows, but this is just a sample. Now for row 7 I'll show you guys how to finish off. So I'll start by chaining 5. Then right here through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. And now I will chain 2 and then we'll braid this first set of braids. So now you see right here through this 10 chain loop that we have made for row 1, we're going to pull this 12 chain loop from row 2. We'll do the same thing for row 3. Then for row 4, for row 5, and for row 6. Now right here through this loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I will chain 2. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I will chain 2. Then we will braid these chains just like we did for the first set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So right there through that loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I'll chain 2. Then we'll continue braiding this third set of chains. So right there through that loop I'll make one single crochet. Again I'll chain 2. Through this next one chain loop I'll make one single crochet. Chain 2. Now we'll braid this last set of chains. Now right there through that loop I'll make one single crochet, chain 2, through this last one chain loop I'll make one single crochet, chain 2, then right here through this last 3 chain loop I'll make one double crochet. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.